Now in parts 51 to 55 we're going to be checking the die cast parts to make sure that they all fit nicely. Okay, any adjustments that need to be made can be done. Okay, and at the same time using the spare piece of the metal strip of the plating that we've got, we're going to be just making sure that when we lie it up as per the instructions up against the metal and the framework, that everything lines up nicely and is nice and flush. Okay, so do exactly the same as with all the parts, making sure that everything lines up nicely, it's nice and flush. Okay, and once you've done that, glue all those parts into position. Now in steps 57 to 61, we're going to be taking the outer aluminium covering like so, and once again as before marking off where the rivets go according to the struts, and then with your rivet making tool, if you can just see that, do the rivet lines. Okay, in the same process as before. And then once you're happy and that all lines up nicely, give the back a bit of a rub with some emery paper just to rough it up a bit, and then glue that down into position over the window frames like such, like so, and then leave that to dry, preferably overnight, before we move on to skinning the rest of the fuselage half. Now as you can see, we've already started to skin the outer fuselage here with the panel A3L2 and A3L3, and we've also done the panel, as you can see here, which is A3L12. Now as per the instructions and step 66 on page 49, continue with the panels across the top all the way up to A3L8, and then once you've done that, we then need to continue with the panelling along the bottom with A3L11 and A3L12, and you'll have a small panel which will fit in here as well, and that one will be A3L9. Okay, once you've done that, put everything aside, and we'll then see you in pack 4.